Welcome back! In this video, I will show you a brand new feature in Atlassian Guard Premium, the sensitive data redaction in Jira. My name is Marvin, and over the next 2 to 3 minutes, I will walk you through sensitive data redaction in Jira.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine, brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
This lets you permanently remove sensitive content that has accidentally ended up in Jira work items directly from an alert, quickly, securely, and with a full audit trail. So picture this scenario. A team member accidentally pastes a password, a credit card number, or an API key into a Jira ticket. Without the new redaction feature, you would have to manually track down the ticket, delete the content, and hope the version history doesn't retain it. With Guard Detect, the content is detected automatically, and cleaning it up is just one click away. Let's have a look and see it in action. So I'm already logged in to Atlassian Guard Detect, and you will also start here at the alert dashboard. And now I can see a list of concurrent alerts. In my case, in my lab instance, there are not so many, but you could filter them by content scanning, and you will see that there was sensitive data detected, and shows me that Guard Detect has identified potentially sensitive content. Now click on this alert, and as soon as I open it, I can see 3 things. First, which Jira work item is affected, also which field is affected, and in my case it's a description, and second, a preview of the detected content. Here it's called the snippet, and I can see that there was an IBAN number added. And now the third and maybe the most important option is the feature that it's called redact that content. I will now click on redact, and I will confirm this dialog. The sensitive data will also be redacted from the history. That is really important, and it will be replaced. But let's have a look now what happened. I will click here now. This can take a few minutes, as always in Atlassian Cloud. And everything was successful. Yes, the content is gone for good. You can see here this black bar, and now switch to the work item in Jira and do a refresh. And the field is also gone, or the information is more or less gone. There's this black bar. So what you also can see if you go to the history, so there's not much history around this sensitive data, but you can see that this admin account added this information here, and also this was redacted. So also in history, the information is not visible anymore. You can see it now. The sensitive content is gone in the ticket and in the history, completely and permanently. Let's end with a quick summary. Sensitive data redaction in Jira is a Guard Premium feature that lets you permanently remove sensitive data from Jira tickets, including the version history, directly from a Guard Detect alert. So it reduces the risk of data leaks and saves your security team valuable time. See you in the next video.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time.